everybody, this is Chad with round 2. So we're back again with another product spotlight video, April 2021. So we've got a lot of really cool stuff to show you guys coming up this month. We've got a new 1/64 scale for Auto World with 2 brand new tools in it and a bunch of other tooling variations that are really exciting. We've got 5 new model kits for you guys, a new model kit accessory that's coming out. We've also got 2 new 1/18 scale diecast cars from Auto World that we're going to jump in and show you. So we're going to get started. We're going to start with the 1/64th. Alright, so first off in 1/64th, we've got this Auto World release for you guys. 2 brand new tools in this release, the very first one being the 2020 Chevy Corvette. So never been put out before. You guys who follow us on our Facebook pages have seen some sneak peeks of the new Corvette. Of course, 2 variations for it here. First one being in gloss black, just an awesome looking casting for that. Of course, true 1/64th scale, down to the wheels and tires, down to the width of the tires, everything. It's got that awesome looking red detailed engine in there too. Second variation is in white. This white one actually has a red interior with it as well. Might be a little hard to see on the camera. And the red valve cover, red engine through the back as well. That's the new mid-engine Corvette, so you can see the engine there right on the back end. So we're really excited to bring this one out, and this should be a really good seller. Next up, the 2019 Chevy Camaro ZL1 1LE, and you'll notice this one is also marked as new casting. That is because this is the first release of the ZL1 1LE that we have done in true 1/64th. We did a different variation of the 2019 Camaro before. This one has a new front core to do that front bumper for the 1LE. It's got a different grille, different front lip on it. It's got a different wheels, 1LE wheels on there, and a rear spoiler as well. First variation here in orange with that black hood, all those great looking ZL1 1LE details on that too. Second variation in silver, also got the black hood on there, the dark wheels, black spoiler, just a great looking car for that one. Third in the release, the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Also a new casting variation for this one. This is the first time we've done the SRT Demon version. Some of the variations with this, it's got a Demon hood on it. It's got Demon wheels that come with it. First one here in version A is in this great looking matte gray color here. It's got that black Demon hood on the top, those black wheels, big beefy looking drag tires on it, black spoiler on the back. And the second variation, this one's my favorite, in that bright yellow color. It's got the whole black striping across the top for the roof, the trunk, and the hood. Of course, the black wheels for that. Also, the Demon wheels, big chunky tires, all of that great stuff. Next in the release, another brand new casting, first release for you guys, a 1963 Chevy 2 Nova 400 wagon. Again, if you guys follow us on our social media pages, you've seen kind of, as we've been working through this, getting the 3D mock-ups, this is finally our finished product here. First variation here in gold. It's got a great looking tan top on it. Just an awesome looking variation for that first release. And the second one is in Azure Aqua Poly. Just a great looking kind of teal blue color for that there. And this is the 400 version, so it's got a lot of the other details on it. There are some paint options and stuff that we can do to do different versions of the Chevy 2 Nova wagon. So we're excited to bring out some other variations of that as well. Next up, for our square bodies, the 1982 Chevy Silverado 10 Fleet Side. So what's really cool about this one, this is another new casting variation. This is the first time we have done the 1982, which has these quad headlights, these stacked dual headlights in it, that 1982 front grille. You can see the first version here. It's in black with the silver side detailing. You can get a good look at that new front end on there. The second variation is in gloss black with red interior. Of course, awesome detailing on that one. All the little badges and headlights and taillights and all the other great detailing that you guys come to expect from Auto World. And sixth in this release, this is another version for our 1975 Cadillac Eldorado. So these are 2 new color variations for that. First one here. Just this awesome looking orange color for that one with that white Landau top. And the second variation is in light blue here. Just a great, big, awesome caddy. And of course, in true 1/64 scale, you can really see how big that Cadillac is. So another one we're really excited to bring out for you guys. So that's everything we've got for 164th. Next, we're going to jump in and show you guys 118. All right, so first off in 118, we've got the Auto World 1963 Chevy Corvette Z06. So some really neat features about this one. It is in the Riverside Red color. Of course, it has the opening doors and hood. It's got that detailed L84 motor in it. That awesome looking red color on there. Steerable front wheels, all of that really great accuracy in this. It's got that center stripe on it for the 1963 model. Of course, a split window in the back, and that center stripe really brings out the body lines of this car. So one we're really excited to bring out. 1963, probably the best year of Corvette ever, so should be a very exciting release, and one that can't wait till you guys are able to pick it up. Next up in 118 scale, the 1965 Ford Mustang 2+2. This is a really, really cool one. This is actually one of our most detailed 118 castings, so it's very great detail on this car. It's in a vintage burgundy color, which just looks awesome, and it's got that Palomino tan interior inside of it that really looks great with that vintage burgundy on the outside. Of course, got white line tires on it, opening doors, opening hood, detailed engine, detailed interior, detailed chassis. Just a great looking car for this. And of course, the 1965 version has the fastback here. It's 2+2's got those little tiny back seats in it. Just a really, really awesome 118 car that we're happy to bring back out. So that's everything we've got in Diecast. Next, we're going to jump in and show you guys model kits. All right, so for model kits, we got some really cool stuff to show you guys. First off, we're going to start with another Mustang Fastback, the 1967 Mustang GT Fastback kit by AMT. So some of the really cool stuff about this kit, there's a lot of really cool features in it. It does come with some pad printed Firestone wide oval tires on it. It's got a couple different valve cover options that you can do. Kept this vintage style packaging. We expanded the decal sheet, refined some of the options on the decal sheet for you guys. You can get a look here at some of these really cool features. There's those wide oval tires, those optional Cobra valve covers, fastback roof vents, all the great detailing that comes in the kit. Got that 289 motor on there too. And another look too, just a really good variation of the 67 Fastback here. You can, of course, paint it any way you'd like. And a look at the back for that parts tree on that kit as well. You can see all those parts and pieces and all the great stuff that comes with that kit. So keeping with automotive, we also have two great Dragster kits coming for you guys this month. First being the AMT Infini-T. So a lot of really cool stuff with this kit, loaded with chrome parts. Tons of different chrome parts of this kit. Comes with pad painted rear slicks on it. It's got the bonus mini box that you can put together and display with the kit. We've expanded the decal sheet on this kit as well, and a lot of really cool features. There's kind of a look at the body on here. It's got the tilt open cab that comes with it, and again, just an awesome looking body for that tilted T front end there. And there's a look at it without the top on there, and all those great features for that big chrome motor, that front engine Dragster design. And there's a look at the parts tree on the back of that as well. And even you kind of see a little bit of the decal kit, or the decal sheet that's coming along with this kit. So next up, another drag kit for you guys. This is an MPC kit, the Ram Chargers fuel dragster kit. So some pretty cool stuff done with this one. We have retooled the windscreen on this kit. That was a part that needed retooling from these older tools. We expanded the decal sheet on this one as well. Better decals for the Ram Charger liveries on the side of it. Comes with pad printed drag slicks, vintage style packaging, and you can see some of these really cool features on it here. 426 Hemi engine, valve covers, headers, roll bar, the full body that comes on it, steering wheel, the spoke wheels, the rear wheels. Just a lot of really cool stuff. And kind of look at some of the other great MPC dragster kits that we've put out in the past couple of years here. And there's a look also at the parts tree on the back of that one, the back of that Ram Charger kit. Last in the for the automotive or kind of automotive kits. Next in our series, the MPC Wacky Racers kit. So you've seen us put out the Dick Dastardly kit, the Penelope Pit Stop kit. This is the Creepy Coupe coming out this month with the Gruesome Twosome So you got, comes with the figures of Big Gruesome and Little Gruesome. This is molded in color, so very easy kit to snap together. It's got metal axles, so if kids want to put it together, they can actually roll it. You can see some of the really great parts. Press lock together, easy build, and you know, you can detail your minifigures too if you would like. Don't necessarily have to paint this kit, which is a really great option for a beginner or for a starting kit. And just another great one to add into all those Wacky Races kits. So there's a look where you can see pretty simple decal sheet. Of course, we actually do these kits with both water slide decals and stickers. So if you're a beginner, you can use the stickers. If you want to mess with the water slides, you can do that as well. And a really simple, easy to put together kit. One more kit that we have coming out. This is for Polar Lights, the last in our series of Haunted Manor kits. So this is the Haunted Manor Play It Again Tom kit, the 1/12 scale kit. So like our other Haunted Manor kits that we had done before, this is molded in glow in the dark. So if you want to keep some of those glow in the dark features, keep the whole thing glow in the dark, or utilize it when you paint it, you can do a lot of really cool stuff with this. Being that it is a Haunted Manor kit, it of course has rubber band action. You can press the lever, Tom will hit the keys, push the button, the mummy pops out of the organ there. Just another really fun figural kit. So this is the like I said, the last in the series of 4 of these kits that we had put out. So pick this one up. If you haven't picked up the other ones, check those ones out too. All really great kits. And one last thing in model kits for you guys, we do have a new accessory coming out. Part of our big rig truck modeling accessories. This is the turbine engine display. So what this is the original turbine display engine that came with the AMT Astro 95 big rig kit. So it was an option back in the day. It was molded in this green color back then too, so we kept that same color. This does come with instructions as well. If you want to build this up, you can build it up as a standalone display engine. You can build it up and put it in a GMC 95 Astro kit if you'd like to do that. Or if you're a scratch builder or kind of a kit basher, you can build it up, put it in a different kind of kit with a little bit of custom work. And there's a look at kind of some of our other big rig things that we have put out in the past, tall tire kits, some of our other semi-tractor and trailer tire kits, and really neat stuff that we've done there. So that's everything that we have for April. We have a lot of really cool stuff coming out too. We're working on a lot of new tooling that we're going to be kind of teasing you guys with. So make sure you check us out. Check us out on our Facebook pages for all of our different brands. Check us out on our Instagram pages. We're doing posts on there all the time, at least weekly. Subscribe to this channel to keep getting notified on these videos. Thanks again for supporting us, guys. We couldn't do this without you. We'll see you next month.